It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Get Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, you are going to learn step by step on how to have a countdown timer like this using Camtasia video editing software. Step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Camtasia video editing software tutorial, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to have a countdown like this on Camtasia video editing software. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add countdown to your video clips in Camtasia video editing software. So let's begin. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I drag my video clip from the library right here and drag it to the timeline right here. Alright, so for us to add a countdown effect into this particular video, what we want to do next is to make sure we go to the library right here and we click on library. Then from library, we make sure we click on callout, counter. Then right here, we have to scroll down. There are more counting down options that we can use right here. So we have timeline timestamp, we have timeline frame counter, there are parameter timeline, media timeline, countdown timeline. So let's see the countdown timeline. So we have to select on the countdown timeline, then we drag it into the video timeline right here. So we can hover the play button all over the stuff, then you have it right here. So we can come to the video right here, we can change the position of our countdown. Then one more thing we can do is that we can come to the property of the countdown right here. We navigate to video section, we can scale down the size of our countdown right here. So we can come back here and reposition where we want the countdown to be right here. So we can go back to the countdown property right here, we select on the letter. Then when we select on the letter, we can come here, we change the countdown font. So if we don't like this one right here, we can come to the font size, font style, and change it from another font right here. So let's check on this. So you can see the new font. We can also scale up the font size right here. Then we can also change from bold to light or to regular or whatever. So I prefer the bold. Then we can also scroll down and see more information about the countdown property. So we can go back to the video section of the countdown property and we can increase the video size. So we have it this way. So let's quickly play the countdown effect and see how it's going to be on our video. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to create countdown effect in Camtasia video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.